Hello and welcome to JB Collectibles YouTube channel, and today we have 4 multi-packs from the AdrenalynXL 2023 Premier League collection. Very nice collection here. So like I say, got 4 of these packs to get. You get quite a few goodies in here. So 5 normal packs, a limited edition, and I can't see that because that's underneath there, but there's an exclusive, if you want to get the other one in. Exclusive legend card. So the legends you can actually get Alan Shearer, Brian Robson, Leslie King, and Paul Merson, yeah, for Arsenal, Spurs, Man United, and Newcastle. And all these as well also have a genuine autograph, super rare, real player signature cards. So they will be on the hunt for that day, as well as a limited edition. So if I do, let's all get these out. First of all, I'll just get these all out of the packet for you here. Doing pretty well, the AdrenalynXL collection at the moment. We've got quite... I think most teams are only like 1 or 2 missing. Yeah, most of them are good. Get that like that. It's going to be the long part now. Getting these out of here.
Oh, perfect, my dude.
Try not to damage the packs, because I've got a habit of spoiling stuff.
I don't like doing that when you miss the back of the card.
Come down.
Sit down well.
Look, so I think what we're going to do here, we'll just get the normal packs out first. And then we'll move to the special cards. Set them aside there. It's nice to do AdrenalynXL again. I mean, the last one we did was the box break, I believe.
Yeah, we sent me that last week.
Almost chucked away my legend card then.
If you got my look, it will be in the round here.
Get all these up here. Well, you've had Alan Shearer like 3 times now.
3 times now, yeah. Ooh, I've almost spoiled the legend card there.
I've ripped the back of one of mine.
Just put so much tape on.
Can we find that genuine autograph card though? I think there's a 1 in 8 chance of getting per. There's a 1 in 8 chance per. Oh, I've ripped that a bit. Yeah, there is a 1 in 8 chance of getting an autograph card, but they're the printed. So there's 2 variants of the printed autograph and a genuine autograph. It does say 1 in 8 chance, but I think the genuines are a lot more rare.
Genuines are definitely a lot rarer.
Yeah. So hopefully we can get one today then.
Well, you can certainly hope so. I'm well off camera.
I'm not that guy, I'm not. There we go. Right, let's get into this then. Start with this pack here. So yes, let's see if we can get in these packs today. There's, like I said, there's only a few cards we need now, so, well, say a few, there's quite, which way the special card, so something a bit, I think it's just the leader. Yeah. So, we have, figured it out, we have Talisman, we have Murphy, we have Jaden Anthony, we have Lerma, we have a defensive steal, Liam Cooper, which I do believe I've completed the defensive steals now, so everyone needed, and then leader, I'm going to use for Newcastle, which I've already completed all them, so
Yeah.
not really one for me.
Okay. And which thing is wrong?
Yeah.
Oh,
So come back to that.
I've set out a free insert. But it's United badge, which I believe I needed. Or did you need it?
I need. You don't.
Leader by Bamford and Daka. And base card we've got Ollie Watkins. Hoover and
Do you need Jamirez?
No, I've completed all of
Put
them.
them there. It's fine. So we do like to share on the JB Collectibles YouTube channel. Yep, that's second pack now.
Pop this down to United badge at the bottom for fire.
I'm going to put my stuff. Move these over. So the inserts there, not there. I can make it a bit neat. So my second pack now. Oh, that feels nice. And we have Cabano, have N'Golo Kante.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's match day.
We have Liam Cooper. We have Nato. We have Adrenaline Rush Jamie Vardy.
Such a nice card.
And we have Titan Dunk. So I do actually have all the inserts these as well.
Yeah, that's going to be very confident.
I think we're only missing like one insert from each set, aren't we?
At work, yeah.
We are also on the hunt for Golden Ballers and the Invincible card as well.
Right, so I have Alec Tellis, Dendonka, Wadi Fofana, Emi Martinez, and St. Maximin, and Fire. Oh, with Ben Armour, not the Fire I want. I still need Gary Martinelli.
Yeah, and I'm after Mitrovic. I believe I need for that.
Yeah, good.
Okay, we've got Johnson for West Ham. We have Bournemouth Low. We have Bonidia for Aston Villa. We have Ben White, quite common card I've had quite a lot of.
Yeah.
We have Electric Pace St. Maximin. And a super stopper of Dubran Vika. So that's they're two collections as well. For the super stoppers, I only need Sanchez as well for that. So
I believe I'm done with them now. We'll find a little Pickford. Now we'll move on.
some of these, the inserts are at the front, which is kind of
I
annoying.
know it is. We've got Trossard, Jim Anderson, Kai Havertz, Matthias Klick, Titan card of Che Adams, and Electric Pace of Christian Pulisic.
This card, no.
All of these inserts.
Oh, there's a nice diamond there. Just no spoilers it. That's. Oh. Okay. Right, so we've got Ducoria for Everton. Sorry, I saying that incorrectly. Veltman. We have Ben White again. Just seeing the inserts here. So we've got Tom Davies and
Top finisher, Ronaldo.
And then behind this is a Jacob Ramsey for Aston Villa that we do already have as well. Get a lot of dupes in these packs.
Yeah, you could get, 2 to 3 inserts per pack. We've got pretty much all of them.
That's like my 4 for Ronaldo.
Yes, it is.
See, I don't like that one insert behind one.
It's really annoying. You've got Dendonka, Gary Martinelli. I just said Dendonka, it's Knockout. What am I thinking of? Fabian Schär, Brennan Johnson, Electric Pace and Sanchez, top super stopper.
There you go. That's another set. That is another set complete for me.
If he's not completed, the super stopper collection.
That's 2 insert sets I've completed today. That's good for me.
We'll be up half in the pair.
Right, so we have a Reed for Fulham. We have Jacob Ramsey for Aston Villa. We have Zemruma for Bournemouth. We have Victor Lindelof for Manchester United. We have an Electric Pace Lampetti. And we have a super stopper of Samba for Nottingham Forest.
There we go. Right, and on to the next one. Feels thick. And being ruined by the United player.
I think that's going to either be... Oh, wait.
There are 3 inserts. Heung-min Focus. Heung-min Son, Yerry Mina, and Jadon Sancho. Got a diamond here of Tyreek Mitchell.
Oh, is that me?
Electric Pace to Kyle Walker, and hoping it is Fire Martinelli. We don't know how to play the Fire set.
Now I am looking for Mitrovic to complete that set.
Right. We should probably address. I am wearing a United top.
Can you explain why you want a United top?
Right, basically we tend to have bets when my team plays this team. Basically, if Liverpool won, here's wear one of Liverpool shirts. We didn't win, so I'm wearing a United shirt.
I wouldn't want to be you right now.
I feel disgusting.
Let's get this back then. I feel a bit vulnerable, so... Right.
It's worst day of my life.
So we have Dembele for... can't get out. Bournemouth. Gotta get my words up there, my mind went blank. Another Bournemouth player for Christie.
Fresh off a 9-0 thrashing from Mighty Liverpool.
Then we have a Pedro Neto. And we have a Bendia from Aston Villa. Insert cards. We have a Erling Haaland, which obviously super hat trick yesterday, completely saved the game for them. That's the thing with Man City at the moment. They just come back so well.
Yeah, it's what, 3 games now we've come from behind to win.
No, definitely, it's incredible.
And then never count that with man.
Then we have John
John
McGee
McGinn
for Aston Villa, and there are the inserts there.
And the next one, see if we can play any more sets.
Ooh,
Do it like that. Anthony Langer.
we were saying the other day, it's quite rare to get any.
He is.
2 United players. They're like gold dust them. Saka.
Okay, Saka there. Stuart Armstrong. Southampton badge. And John McGinn.
John McGinn.
Yeah, do you?
If you do hear screaming in the background, that is my child. So I do apologise in advance. Oh, wait, that wouldn't be advanced.
Advance.
That wouldn't be advanced. I do apologise for that. Got 3 packs left. You got 3 packs as well. Oh, you got more than 3 packs. Oh yeah, because I got one in my hand.
This is what I've got to deal with.
I'm up at R5 in the morning, so I've been up since R5 this morning. 3 inserts. That feels really. I think this is an excellence. You know. I think this is an excellence. Ready?
I'll be really nice.
Trent, and it's a Liverpool one as well. Defender.
Oh no, please.
Right, here we go. Trent Alexander-Arnold.
If it is, I will steal it from him.
Ben Rama. Oh, it's a midfield actually. Oh. Oh no, it's not actually. It's just 2 cards. It was just 4 inserts in a pack. You know, I did get excited there. And it's Patrick Bamford, Titan of Makina, defensive steel, Laporte, and Firmino. It's a base card. It wasn't 4 insert. That was really weird because the way I saw it, it was like that, and they were stuck together. And it felt really thick.
Yeah, can sometimes happen. The packs get a bit stuck together. But I'm very much glad it wasn't a Van Dijk excellence guy. Because I would have been fuming.
Hey, you've still got a chance of one of these being an reference card. Don't think they are because I do feel. Oh, I don't. No.
Right. Kurt Zuma. Big Man DVD. Thomas Hushek. Bobby Firmino. Like that Liverpool there. Christian Pulisic and Albie Kibrovka.
This one feels pretty thick, this one. Oh, it's nice diamond there. I saw the name on it anyway, it's what I've already got. Oh, we've got Allen for Everton, we've got Duffy for Brighton, we've got Laporte for City, we've got Lianco, and we have Mitchell for Crystal Palace, and we have defensive steel Cresswell, even.
Right.
It's been a long day for me. I am so tired.
Don't know why I do that one. Edison. There we go. Brian Christie. Decoy.
Oh,
Mitrovic.
another one completed.
Name Jordan has now completed the 5 collection because I already have him. Electrified Cal Walker. And Titan of...
So I believe I am looking for Calvin Phillips of the midfield masters now.
And a couple of world classes.
Oh yeah, and a couple of world classes. I believe that's the whole set complete, all the inserts complete.
I think it would be.
Right, here we go, pretty thick pack
Yeah.
here.
I can't remember the same.
Then obviously it's just the
Just a big thing.
and the golden ballers and the elusive invincible card that we still haven't found, strangely.
Which we've opened well over 100 packs.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got Heung-min Song, we've got Curtis Jones, Bruno Fernandes, the one I need. We've got Mohamed Salah, top finisher. We have a leader of Conor Cody. And we have the Man United badge. Oh, I'm getting so close to finishing United, you know. I just need Alanga and Maguire now. Let's see if they turn up in this pack.
There we go. It feels thick.
This one, the last one feels quite thick as well.
Don't know why it feels thick. Don't know if more cards in here. Gross. Dembele. Castagna. Yeah, there is 7 cards in this pack. Jolteon. We have Marius.
Oh, you've
Who
completed
means I've
City.
now completed City, yeah. We have got Donkert there. And General Chocolate.
Last pack here. And we're on to the special cards there.
Yeah,
Okay.
7 cards in the pack.
3 inserts here, I do believe. So we have Fabianski for West Ham, Erling Haaland, again, amazing hat-trick yesterday. We have Johnny Otto for Wolves. We have a defensive steal of McCullough, I can never pronounce his name. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And Bellerin for West Ham. And then we have the Newcastle badge. These are my packs, and now we're on to the special cards once Brad's opened this one.
My last safe one, and we've got a lot of Celtic, but hopefully it's left it open. Come on, there we go.
Still no golden ballers or invincible card.
Chelsea lineup, eh? Leicester
I was just about to say, I haven't seen many lineups this summer, and you just get 2 in a row.
Gudos and Pinnock. Livramento, I think I might need. 4 diamonds. That'll be Conor Cody. Again.
Right, so I'm going to get into it. So should we start with limited editions first, then move to the legends afterwards?
Yes.
So I've got this first. So will it be a genuine auto? Here we go. So it's a midfielder.
So it's not. Oh, wait a minute. Not legends yet.
Oh, we know who this is.
It's Jacob.
But is it? No, just a normal standard version there of Jacob Ramsey, which I do already have. We'll put limited editions in the back here. If we get any better, we'll just take them off.
We'll move it a little bit.
Yeah,
forward.
We'll move this forward.
And I'll get into my first one here.
Make sure you.
I'll turn that around.
I'm going to say midfielder. Oh no, defender for Brentford. So they say it is.
It's the one I don't have, I think. Or did it get me over there? No, I got West Ham.
Is it going to be a genuine auto though, or a printed? Oh, it's just a normal one.
Yeah, it's a limited. It's not unique.
That's very nice. I've got the second one here. Here we go then. Is this going to be... It's a defender. Oh, it's a midfielder again. Please.
It's Jacob Ramsey.
Could it be though? Could it be?
I mean, look, we got a chance. No.
Ah, just a normal one.
Jacob Ramsey 2 in a row. If I get Janssen here.
It's rigged.
I think I know who it is.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
But could it be? No, just a base one again. Right, should we go on the legends now? These also do have a signature variant as well. So, yeah, let's have a look here. And it's a midfielder. Oh no, oh.
And it's Alan Shearer.
Surprise, surprise. What could it be though? Ah, just normal.
So I've opened 3 multi-packs. Everything I want to got Alan Shearer in it. So let's see. Will this be yet another Alan Shearer? Yes, it will.
Here we go. Please be something different.
Is there anything? I mean, you've got a Leopard King.
Yeah, I got this king.
I've now had 4 Alan Shearers.
Oh, it's different.
It is Paul Merson.
But could it be just normal?
Okay.
This is one I need though. So I'll just put him over Shearer since we already got Shearer there.
Last pack. Another legend.
Paul Merson. Go Paul Merson.
Question is, will it be? What would be my 5th Alan Shearer? Now, I'm a Middlesbrough fan, so not one I particularly like. You got 2 from both places in the list. It is not Alan Shearer, as long as I can read. It is Brian Robson.
Why did you get the one I wanted? But could it be?
Could it be genuine? I'll take a printed out over this way just to get something. From a Borough manager? It is a standard
Just the
one.
standard. We don't have the luck.
One that I will take.
We don't have the luck.
We definitely do not have the luck, but
Maybe in the future.
I mean, I got 2 cards to need. You got
Quite a lot.
Merson you needed.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Special ones and a nice amount of inserts as always.
Yes.
Completed a few sets of the inserts, and I've also completed at least 1 team from that amount.
Yes, I've completed quite a few sets. So I've completed the fire, completed the defensive steel, and I think there's one more I completed. Oh yeah,
Keepers.
keepers with Sanchez. So yeah.
completed fire, thanks to Martinelli, and I'm pretty sure that's what I need.
Yeah, sometime the week as well, we will get a binder update out as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that.
Yeah, the rest of them I'm pretty sure I've got.
Yeah.
You might need that United badge.
Oh, you've got the Man United badge. But now I've also got the Man United badge
Yes,
as well.
it's one of the few things I have for United.
I've been pretty well with United, actually.
I've completed City now, with that Mahrez card in there. So, I mean, not bad. No golden balls. No invincibles. Bit disappointing on the limited editions getting.
But we did complete some
Alan
sets.
Jacob Ramsey 3 times. Another Shearer.
But like I say, we did complete the few sets, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, overall, can't complain.
Definitely not. So,
But we'd definitely rather have had a couple of different in terms of the legend cards rather than Shearers. Happy with Robson. Wouldn't say I've done those. No.
Fair enough. I'm surprised we got 3 Jacob Ramsey, so.
Yeah.
He's becoming our new Matty Cash, isn't he?
I think that makes it. You've got him, I've got him. I think I've got to do 5.
I've got one. That's 4.
5?
Yeah, 5 we've had
5 Jacob Ramsey
in total.
Brilliant.
Brill.
Just what you need.
So there you have it. 4 multi-pack openings. No genuine signatures this time. Golden Ballers or the Invincible card. It's so hard to get that Invincible card. I mean, with the World Cup one, we had like 5 of them.
Exactly.
We
Well,
can't
this
even
one,
find
we
one.
can't look at one.
I know. Maybe one day.
Disappointing.
We'll probably just buy one random pack from the shop and just get it in it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. We have a very, very nice collection there. I mean, we've got a few legends. Got one I needed, one I didn't need, and no limited editions that I did need. But yeah, that was a pretty interesting video. Got a few sets we did to complete.
Jacob Ramsey for Matty Cash of a Premier League. Even though Matty Cash played in the Premier League.
So that wraps up that video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment anything you want to see on the channel. Until next time, peace.